Top 5 iPhone Photo Accessories Quick Review. What's up, photo fans? Ready to level up your iPhone photography? Today, we're hitting the top 5 accessories you need. Let's go! 5. Mini Tripod. Quick shot of a mini tripod in action. Stability is key. Perfect for time-lapse, long exposures, and steady shots. A compact and a must-have. Transition to second accessory. 4. External lenses. Quick shots showing different lenses being used. Wide, macro, telephoto. Expand your creative options beyond the built-in cameras. Clip-on and easy. Transition to third accessory. 3. External lighting. Quick shot of an LED light brightening a scene. Better light equals better photos and videos. Small LEDs or ring lights make a huge difference. Transition to fourth accessory. 2. Gimbal/stabilizer. Quick shot of smooth video footage from a gimbal. For silky, smooth videos. If you shoot video, this is a game changer. Eliminates the shakes. Transition to fifth accessory. 1. Portable power bank. Quick shot of a phone being plugged into a power bank. Don't let a dead battery stop your creativity. Essential for all-day shooting. So there you have it, my top 5. Which one are you grabbing first? Let me know in the comments.